We've been using the Wera Joker set in our carpentry workshop for the past 3 years, and it's become one of our go-to tools for all kind of screwing tasks. The 75-degree angle jaw and the double hex geometry allow for multiple contact points on the fastener. Instead of just one, you get 4 different positions for each turn. It's perfect for tight spaces where you don't have too much room to maneuver. It's easy to find the right contact point after every 180-degree turn, so you don't have to fumble around. It really speeds things up. The ring side of the wrench is also angled by 15 degrees, which helps when you are working with awkward angles. Another great feature is the color-coded tool finder system, which makes it easy to grab the right size every time. This set comes in a handy case with the Velcro system, so you can attach it to your workshop wall, shelf, or even the Wera to-go system for easy storage and aces. No surprises there, smart design, comfortable to use, and German quality, built to last.